Well, ahead of what is expected to see a stormy monsoon session, Prime Minister Modi has given a strong message to the opposition. The Prime Minister has asked the opposition to rise above politics and focus on the country's vikas. Prime Minister Modi also blamed the opposition for disruptions in the parliament and wasting its time. Let's just play out the Prime Minister's reaction. This was ahead of the monsoon session. As is the tradition, the Prime Minister spoke to the media before the beginning of the session and he had a message for the opposition. Listen in.
बहुत से सांसद ऐसे थे जिनको अपने क्षेत्र की बात करने का अवसर नहीं मिला, अपने विचारों से संसद को समृद्ध करने का अवसर नहीं मिला, क्योंकि कुछ दलों की नकारात्मक राजनीति ने देश के संसद के महत्वपूर्ण समय को एक प्रकार से अपनी राजनीतिक विफलताओं को ढांकने के लिए दुरुपयोग किया। और आपने देखा होगा कि पार्लियामेंट के नए संसद गठन होने के बाद जो पहला सत्र था, 140 करोड़ देशवासियों ने बहुमत के साथ जिस सरकार को सेवा करने का हुक्म किया है देशवासियों ने, उसकी आवाज को कुचलने का अलोकतांत्रिक प्रयास हुआ। 2.5 घंटे तक देश के प्रधानमंत्री का गला घोंटने का, उनकी आवाज को रोकने का, उनकी आवाज को दबाने का लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है और इसका कोई पश्चाताप तक नहीं है, दिल में दर्द तक नहीं है। मैं आज आग्रहपूर्वक कहना चाहता हूं, देशवासियों ने हमें यहां देश के लिए भेजा है, दल के लिए नहीं भेजा है।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, the Prime Minister beginning with a message for the opposition, and he reminds the opposition that the people of the country have sent us to the parliament to ensure smooth proceedings and to ensure the development of the country, saying keep politics aside, ensure that the parliament can function smoothly. He also spoke about the time when he was not allowed to speak in the parliament, saying it's shameful that the Prime Minister was not allowed to speak. All right, Sabyasachi, we'll come back to you in just a moment. So this was the message of the Prime Minister when he gave a message to the opposition saying rise above politics, don't politicize every issue. We can continue the politics after the session comes to an end, but for now, rise above the politics of hate. Sabyasachi, the question being, will the opposition take that message of the Prime Minister?
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See a clear-cut message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that the opposition parties need to come out of the election mode and need to focus on the development of the country. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that when the election is due in 2029, that time around the opposition parties can come back to the field and play politics. But till then, they have to focus on the development of the country and make sure to improve the lives of the women, the farmers, the youth in the country. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also says that it is very much unfortunate that Prime Minister of the country was not allowed to speak inside the parliament when there was continuous obstruction and disruption that was being created by the opposition leaders. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also emphasized to the fact that it is high time that the opposition MP should come out of the mode of election and focus on the development of the country. And he says that it was very unfortunate that a lot of the MPs inside the House did not get a time to speak or did not get time to express their views because of the continuous ruckus that has been going inside the House. Meanwhile, see, the opposition parties have prepared their own set of agenda. See, yesterday as well, when the all-party meeting took place, there itself, all the different opposition parties have put forth their agenda. In fact, the centre has said that they are ready to have a discussion on the agenda agendas of the opposition parties, but first and foremost, they have to maintain the decorum of the House. They have to make sure that the House functions smoothly without any sort of disruption. Now we had seen that today itself, different adjournment motion has been coming in from different political parties. From the Congress side, adjournment motion has been given asking for a discussion on the NEET issue. Now we had seen that the opposition MPs feel that whether it is the NEET fiasco, whether it is Manipur, these issues were not properly addressed by the central government and a proper discussion needs to be taken place. So these particular demands from the opposition leaders would continue today. In fact, despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging the opposition leaders not to create ruckus, to make sure that the House functions properly, because the House is for the people of the country. It is not for any single political party, and the opposition leaders should not work for the benefit of their political gains or their political party, but they should work to improve the lives of the youth, the women, and as well as the farmers of the country.
Right. The Prime Minister saying negative politics of some parties are wasting the time of the Parliament. He has said that the parties are trying to hide their own political failure. Listen in to what the Prime Minister said.
जनवरी से लेकर के हम लोगों के पास जितना सामर्थ्य था, उस सामर्थ्य को लेकर के जितनी लड़ाई लड़नी थी लड़ ली। जनता को जो बात बतानी थी बता दी। किसी ने राह दिखाने का प्रयास किया, किसी ने गुमराह करने का प्रयास किया, लेकिन अब वो दौर समाप्त हुआ। देशवासियों ने अपना निर्णय दे दिया। अब चुने हुए सभी सांसदों का कर्तव्य है, सभी राजनीतिक दलों की विशेष जिम्मेवारी है कि हमने दल के लिए जितनी लड़ाई लड़नी थी लड़ ली। अब आने वाले 5 वर्ष के लिए हमें देश के लिए लड़ना है, देश के लिए जूझना है, एक और नेक बनकर के जूझना है। मैं सभी राजनीतिक दलों से भी कहूंगा कि आइए हम आने वाले 4 साढ़े 4 साल दल से ऊपर उठ करके सिर्फ और सिर्फ देश को समर्पित होकर के संसद के इस गरिमापूर्ण मंच का हम उपयोग करें। जनवरी 29 जब चुनाव का वर्ष होगा, आप उसके बाद जाइए मैदान में, सदन का भी उपयोग करना है कर लीजिए। वो 6 महीने जो खेल खेलने खेल लीजिए, लेकिन तब तक जन भागीदारी का एक जन आंदोलन खड़ा कर करके 2047 के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए हम पूरी ताकत लगाए। बहुत से सांसद ऐसे थे जिनको अपने क्षेत्र की बात करने का अवसर नहीं मिला, अपने विचारों से संसद को समृद्ध करने का अवसर नहीं मिला, क्योंकि कुछ दलों की नकारात्मक राजनीति ने देश के संसद के महत्वपूर्ण समय को एक प्रकार से अपनी राजनीतिक विफलताओं को ढांकने के लिए दुरुपयोग किया। और आपने देखा होगा कि पार्लियामेंट के नए संसद गठन होने के बाद जो पहला सत्र था, 140 करोड़ देशवासियों ने बहुमत के साथ जिस सरकार को सेवा करने का हुक्म किया है देशवासियों ने, उसकी आवाज को कुचलने का और लोकतांत्रिक प्रयास हुआ। 2.5 घंटे तक देश के प्रधानमंत्री का गला घोंटने का, उनकी आवाज को रोकने का, उनकी आवाज को दबाने का लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं में कोई स्थान नहीं हो सकता है और इसका कोई पश्चाताप तक नहीं है, दिल में दर्द तक नहीं है। मैं आज आग्रहपूर्वक कहना चाहता हूं, देशवासियों ने हमें यहां देश के लिए भेजा है, दल के लिए नहीं भेजा है।
And well, with hours to go for the budget to be presented, the Prime Minister also spoke about how the budget is going to be for the aspirational Indians. But the opposition criticized the Prime Minister on his statement. Listen in.
We all know that the government works for super rich, and this time in the economic survey, they should give the real numbers where India's real population stands, and they should not give us a rosy picture where the super rich story can't be fitted into a poor and middle class India. Maximum Indians are without jobs, maximum houses are at pain, maximum farmers are at pain. Therefore, this economic survey should speak truth to us, speak truth to the parliament.
Sabyasachi, so the opposition criticizing the Prime Minister, he of course spoke about what the budget expectations of the country are. The opposition has been criticizing the same. But the Prime Minister saying, get rid of negativity, get rid of hate politics and ensure the smooth functioning of the parliament.
Well, absolutely. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has emphasized that a difference of opinion is fine, but negative thoughts and negative approach is not the way to go ahead. And that is what the opposition parties have to leave. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that this particular session is extremely crucial because for the next 5 years, the roadmap would be led. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that the guarantees which has been made by the BJP would be implemented in ground, and for the Viksit Bharat dream of Prime Minister Narendra Modi of 2047, this particular budget would lay the roadmap for that. On the other hand, the opposition MPs have questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact the BJP as well, stating that in this economic survey the BJP should put out the ground reality, not some other thing. Now the opposition say that there is a lot of difference between what the BJP is claiming or what the central government is claiming and what is the actual situation on ground regarding unemployment or regarding the economic scenario. So clearly, when the economic survey will be tabled by Nirmala Sitharaman, fireworks is expected to take place inside the floor of the House, where the opposition has been maintaining the fact that the real figures will not be presented by the NDA government. Somewhere, some other figures would be presented.
Right. Stay with us, Sabyasachi. Key issues to be raised by the opposition. We have Shantanu Sen of the TMC joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us. Shantanu Sen, the